Hello and good day. And so this right here is the Loop Lasso. And so what this is a string shooter toy, and others can see it as being as like a fidget toy. So the reason I wanted this was to give as a present for my friend's kid. And so with it, it is rechargeable via USB-C over here. It's super easy to set up. So it comes with multiple different colored strings. And with it, it's also got a light. And with that light, it's able to actually have the string glow in the dark. So this is rechargeable, it shoots the string, and it's really, really safe. And so it's a great toy, but if you turn it on, this is actually what it looks like, okay? And so with it, it's very, very easy to use. You can actually touch the string as well, have no problems with it. And you can basically just make like all sorts of different shapes with the string. I'd say a lot of kids can use this for like physics. And again, it's safe to use, super easy to set up. Comes with a variety of different color strings. Very, very fun to play with as well. But with it, you basically just have a lot of different ways to use this, whether it's for learning, for teaching. It is rechargeable, doesn't take up a lot of room as well. You can bring it, it's a very portable toy, bring it around with you to all sorts of different places. And so when you're done with it, you can simply just wrap it around and then just put it away. So really, really neat toy, great fidget toy as well, but absolutely fantastic. Would highly recommend it. Check it out.